direction has come from central, of course, we are going to implement.
Thank you.
Right from the beginning, we were against the CAA at its CAB or the bill stage also. And I personally, at then, as president of the Ganamukti Parishad, registered, filed it in Supreme Court. Still, it is waiting for the hearing. And it is not only for the state of Tripura, for the entire northeastern region. Why? Why? Because this region has already suffered out of this huge influx. Here in Tripura, the majority become minority. And because of that, series of political, social, cultural, some, developments are taking place here. Anyway, that is the past history. Now, whatever our size, whatever our population.
I am aware that the Government of India has started the process of implementing Citizenship Amendment Act. While the whole of Northeast, especially the 6 scheduled areas, including in Tripura, have been exempted, I am still concerned about the checks and balances of people who will be included in this act. My case in the Supreme Court is still pending, and we would like to be even clearer that on what grounds and what will be the mechanism to check if the migrant illegally has entered our country. Did he enter before 2014? What are the records? Somebody can come in today in 2019, 2023 and claim so. We would like to know under what process, what are the documentations which will be given, where will the person stay? Will he stay inside the 6 scheduled areas or outside the 6 scheduled areas? All these things have to be examined, and only after that we will be satisfied. The stance of Tripura Motha and mine is very clear. We do not agree with the present system of Citizenship Amendment Act, and while we may be an alliance partner with the BJP, our line is very clear. We do not agree on demographic change of states in Northeast because our indigenous population is very small. And if we do not have a proper system, then many people can come and say that they have been here for years. Who will check, who will verify these documents, these papers? There should be transparency, and these are legitimate concerns and they have to be addressed.